decided to play underneath the basket. At
TNT defending a little bit tougher, but Sahonia still having problems.
Nawala si Sean eh. Maganda yung screen itong si Agatus at Mark Omega. Big 4-pointer para kay Brian Sahonia. Giving his Titan squad a 20-point advantage. And we would look at this unit on the floor para sa TNT. Nainis na ng tuluyan si Coach Chot dun sa tatlong sinasabi natin. Sinumbalang si Kogoy at saka si Hedy. Diyan kayo. So one attention ng TNT side.
Pugoy trying to loop one over Brown. Not on the first try, pero yung pangalawa, pasok na. But only 3 of 9 from the field. Jonicio from his favorite spot. That's a make from the corner 3.
Not everybody's just comfortable playing in the block.
I think it's very interesting lagi sa Governor's Cup. Kasi pagka 6'10 yung limit mo sa imports, naturally, alam mo, big men talaga.
Power forward, tama.
Baka stretch bigs, pero kadalasan, they're bigs. Pero dito, sa Governor's Cup, dahil 6'5 and below yung, or 6'6 and below, Governor's Cup, very interesting lang yung diskarte ng mga teams in picking their imports. As we see Aurin. When you're a hooper, you just chase where that ball takes you.
Go where the love is. Yan ang kukuha sa akin ng team. Let's go.
Tingnan mo kung saan ka dinala sa tabi namin dito. Oh, what a pass by Enciso! And Hill finishes at the cup. By 16. Pero itong TNT, sinusubukang makabalik with plays like this. This is the play of the game brought to you by Sports Plus.
Gandang pasa dyan. Ang gandang finish, Tyrus Hill. Titignan.
Kay Stingray. Balanza shoots over Ferrer. A looper of a 3.
parang wala silang ginagawang mali today.
Understand is yung matanim sa utak mo na kaya pala. Laban pala tayo, and you know, it's gonna be interesting to see if
go on and get this W. This game will stick in their heads and try to do it every time.
But Brown has shown us the full arsenal here. Samahan mo pa yan, 10 rebound, 4 na assist, 3 steals. Days finally makes noise again. Samahan mo pa yan, 10 rebound, 4 na assist, 3 steals. Days finally makes noise again.
Looking at the numbers of Tyrell Brown, is 29 and 11 finally.
And then, to not take jumpers, inatake niya ng inatake dun sa may bandang ilalim. Di ba yung mga pump fake, tapos mga reverse layups niya. Ilang beses nangyari yan.
Uy, tama nga.